Aletheia demonstrates a simple but demanding idea. An AI proposal should not become operational merely because it is fluent, structured, or technically valid. This demo shows one bounded vertical slice, not the whole architecture. 7 public synthetic cases form a frozen substrate. Their raw manifestations are preserved, and precedents retain source locators. Similarity never becomes equivalence. A matrix activates only through a human gate. When counter-evidence appears, the earlier version remains queryable. A narrowed version is created, and only dependent cases are calibrated. In the first live test, GPT 5.6 returned a valid candidate, but it quoted post-validation case as evidence. The phrase came from context, not from the immutable manifestation. Aletheia rejected it before state entry. After the prompt contract was versioned, a corrected live run passed. Matrix activation still required explicit human approval. No external consequence was executed. The second test keeps the same case identifier, raw bytes, and hash. It places the record inside 2 bounded contextual frames. GPT 5.6 proposes different functions, but Aletheia preserves identity and non-equivalence. A human gate activates the first contextual matrix. A later counterexample narrows it into a second version. The prior version remains queryable. Only the dependent case is selectively recalibrated. The third test gives 2 perspectives asymmetric access to the evidence. One may preserve a participant's experience without turning it into proof of motive. The other may use procedural evidence without treating procedure as proof of fairness. No unavailable source leaks across perspectives. A full field observer distinguishes access gaps from interpretive divergence. It then asks the question that can transform the inquiry. The observable difference is governance. Raw data, proposal, validation, human approval, consequence authorization, and later correction remain separate, traceable stages. GPT 5.6 generates bounded candidates. Aletheia governs evidence, scope, gates, and version history. Codex supported repository inspection, implementation, testing, hardening, and documentation. The claim remains bounded. Unsupported evidence can be rejected. The same raw can receive different contextual functions without losing identity. Partial perspectives can be compared without erasing uncertainty or human review. This is one experimental nucleus, not the whole Aletheia architecture.